Everyone, this is Minimo Vlogs, the Filipino reactor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video. Ang gawa ni Binibining Anonymous for today's video. So I won't say it longer. I'm really excited to watch this. Thank you so much for uploading Binibining Anonymous. So yeah, i-like muna natin. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Totoo lang araw sinali behind the scene. Yakap na yakap. Please. What is yakap na yakap? Sabi yung acting skills si Barbie. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, Waldo Adelina and Hiroshi for today's video. Go. Host Alden Richards. Si Alden Richards talaga no? Si Alden Richards magaling talaga. Wingman talaga siya. Sa totoo lang. Wingman talaga siya.
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday.
And of course, we have the ever so charming Mr. Alden Richards.
Si Alden Richards. Okay.
It's a happy morning, guys.
Happy morning.
And good things happen when you least expect it.
True.
And for me, that's David.
Hindi ba? Nakalimutan na natin yung mga ganyang salita nila. Diba? Mga ganyan hindi yan kinakalimutan.
Good morning po muna sa ating lahat.
Yan ang mga defense mechanism.
Good morning, Barbie.
Defense mechanism ni Barbie. Oh. Para ma-shrug niya lang.
And of course to you, really, thank you. I have learned, so much from you, and that's such amazing. Alam mo yun, like, ikaw yung love team ko. You are
Oh, love ko.
standards, so really thank you. And yeah, hopefully magkaroon pa tayo naman naming trabaho together.
Alam ko maraming baby.
Chef, hello. Chef.
Diba? Kitang disappointed talaga siya.
Para maging ambassador.
Ganun talaga. Pag may mali siya, konting kibut lang, alma ka na agad. Diba?
I remember pinanood ko pa yung...
Ganun talaga. Konting mali siya, aalma agad.
McDonald's. I think yung story nung founder talaga. So, oo, di ba? Grabe yung tindahan niya. So, yun, and to be part of it, sobrang nakakatuwa. And then, nasa World Egg Day tayo, sabi nga ni Alden, dapat hindi natin na-take for granted yung mga ganitong celebrations. Right, so,
Tatuts.
I'm very much grateful.
Can you give some love, everybody, to David?
Siyempre, ang ating supporters, diba? Yes, to the fans. Salamat po sa inyong paniniwala. And yun, katulad ng sinabi ni David.
Kumbaga parang treat ko na, reward ko na yun sa sarili ko kasi nga alam ko magtatrabaho ako that day. And so, and now, sabi ko nga, kailangan natin matikman ngayon yung ito yung may egg. Kasi ang na-try ko lang yung curry fillet, golden curry fillet.
It was si David kasi nga lang, orkot. What is orkot? Orkot ang David yo, oh.
It starts your day, it starts your mood, ganyan. Parang, dun babase yung magiging energy mo. At least, I'm speaking for myself. You say, hindi ako masyado sa hash brown, mas fries. I eat it with fries. And so, ayun, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya.
Orkot ang ano nyo. Orkot ang...
Thank you, Egg.
It's making the small, the ordinary things extraordinary. Diba? Let's go to the other half of Barda naman. Let us hear David.
Yes.
David, can you tell us how your morning goes and how this breakfast meal fits on your on-the-go morning life?
First thing I do in the morning is mag-workout. Tapos, talaga yung mga morning routine ko, and then mag-breakfast ako na masarap. Kasi syempre, I feel like kung masarap yung breakfast mo, you're gonna have a good day. Diba? So,
Paano masarap? Paano masarap lahat?
pero,
Yes!
Coming soon.
coming soon maybe. Yeah, mag-isip ka ng
Iba talaga siya pag...
Siyempre, minsan nalalate ako. Ay, madalas ba?
Madalas pala. Ayan. Talagang inipasa siya. Parang hindi naman daw late. Sige na. Hindi naman daw siya late dito. Na-clear na yung name niya dyan.
Diba? So,
Na-clear na yung ano niya dyan.
Yes.
Di ba? Oh. Nali niyo din daw siya. Kaya may tampo ang baby kay D. Kaya ba may tampo ang baby kay D? May isa pang video si Binibining Anonymous kaya papanoorin natin. Ito na nakaraan to. I-feel. Barb. Help. Okay, there we go. Gwapo ni David.
Kumbaga kami yung scrambled eggs sa curry fillet. The new addition, di ba? New favorite, ganon. Thank you.
Ang ganda naman ang picture nila dito. Oh. Ang ganda ng picture nila dyan. Eh. Go, kung gusto mo yan, go. Yoko, hindi mo kaya. Ayan. Ano may mga challenge niyan? Post ko sa Instagram, ganun. Ganun yung challenge. Like, energy. Energy naman ang binibining play natin. Hindi mo kaya. Ay na all, masaya. Kaya sila, no? Sana all. Tara. Anyways, that is our for today's video. Our Barda compilation or Barda from Binibining Anonymous episode. Of course, Binibining Anonymous episode. This is Indigo Vlogs and see you on the next vlog.